Okay, hey folks, this is my third video on this same template of notes. I'm just thinking that, trying to do complex, we're trying to do a little bit too much. So let's just focus our attention just on piecewise functions this time. All right, so now for piecewise functions, there's a little trick to the piecewise functions, okay? So we're going to find the limit as x approaches 2. Well, the limit as x approaches 2 from the left, we'll have to compute that first. And then we'll have to compute the limit as x approaches 2 from the right. Now, I'm going to do something that seems like you're not allowed to do it. But the limit as x approaches 2 from the left, what do we typically do with that number? We typically put it in the function, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. This top function, I'm going to take that 2 and I'm going to put it in. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. This next function, I'm going to put the 2 in because this is from the right side. Put the 2 in. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now, since we get the same answer from both sides, we can determine that the limit as x approaches 2 of the function exists, and it not only does it exist, but it's that same value. It is 7. All right, so that is how you do our first piecewise function. And all the other piecewise functions should follow suit. So we're going to take the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left, and we're also going to take the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right. From the left, we'll substitute in 2. 3 times 4. 2 times 2 plus 1. So I'm getting 17. On the next one, I'm substituting in 2. So when I substitute in 2, I get 5 times 4 is 20. 23 is my final answer there. We didn't get the same number. Since we didn't get the same number, the limit as x approaches 2, I'm sorry, I should have said the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 does not exist. Okay? The last problem, let's take a look at what happens on the last problem. This time we're going to find the limit as x approaches 2. Same deal. We're going to try to do it from the left. And also from the right. From the left, we use the top function because it says the left of 2 right here. So that's 12 plus 5, that'd be 17, it looks like again. This next one though, next one it says plug in 2, so 5 times 4 is 20, 20 minus 3, that's 17. Well, now what do we see? Well, this time the two limit values are the same. So now I have the limit as x approaches 2 of the function equals 17. All right? So that's how you would do piecewise functions. All right? All right, I hope you enjoyed that video and this video series. Thanks. See ya.